Oh. What's it rated at?
5K RMS.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow.
Like I said, it's a DHA 9K amp. So.
Yes, sir. Sorry about that. What's your name real quick and what do you have in here, man?
What's going on, man? My name's Donald Whitfield. So what we got back here, we got an EM Audio Team 12. We got Yenlong 78H and we got a DHA 9K strapped at 1 ohm right now. So doors are factory. Sorry about that. I haven't got my 4-channel in or my PhD 6.5.
Okay.
So
did you build this?
Nah, man. I got to keep it real. Now I bought that box off a guy. Like I said, it was tuned at 27 hertz. Okay. So yeah, man. That's what we're looking at.
Have you metered it?
No, I have not metered it. Again, I just kind of got this put in here probably about a couple of weeks ago. Okay. And also charging at like 15.3.
Okay. Wow. So it's gonna be loud for a single sub, I'm sure.
Yeah, man. It gets down for a single sub.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Hopefully in the future I'll be able to put another one in here. Yes, shout out EM Audio. Thanks for the hookup, fellas.
All right. Yes, sir. Can I see the back real quick? Thank you. Can I see the back?
Oh yeah. Absolutely. Yeah. Come on, man.
Is this a 3 or 4-inch coil sub?
4.
Okay. Rated what? 2. What's it rated at?
5K RMS.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow.
Like I said, it's a DHA 9K amp. So.
Yes, sir.
Yep.
Nice. I like it.
Yeah, me too.
Hey, have a good day, man. Thank you for showing me. Okay.
Here we go.
Yes, sir.
Hopefully in the future I'll be able to put another one in here. Yes, shout out EM Audio. Thanks for the hookup, fellas.
All right. Yes, sir.
I am my brother's keeper. In the name of Jesus. testify and go against your people. Regardless. And if you go to war, then I'm going to. Now it's a gangster party. Cause they all jealous. And if he out of jail this early, dog, then he probably telling all. It's a gangster party. And if he out of jail this early, dog, then he probably telling all.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.